Hi, I'm Ross, your RAVES Operations Support Specialist. Welcome to the RAVES E-Signature Module. In this video, you'll learn how to create document templates, send documents for electronic signature, track signing progress, and manage completed documents with a secure audit trail. Let's get started. To begin, upload your document and configure the template settings, including the template name, category, signing order, expiration period, and description. Once your document is uploaded, assign the required fields by selecting a participant and dragging the appropriate fields onto the document. You can easily map fields to different signing parties, ensuring each recipient completes only the sections assigned to them. When field mapping is complete, save your changes and publish the template. Publishing locks the template, making it available for future signature requests. Next, create a new signature request by selecting the published template, setting the expiration date, and adding the required recipients. Enter each recipient's name and email address, then send the document. Each recipient will receive a secure email invitation to review and sign. From the dashboard, you can monitor all signature requests and view the current status of every envelope in real time. Recipients simply open the email, select the secure signing link, confirm their legal name, and provide consent for the electronic transaction before accessing the document. The document guides each signer to their assigned fields, making the signing process simple, accurate, and efficient. After completing all required fields, recipients submit the document and receive an on-screen confirmation that their signature has been successfully recorded. Back in the dashboard, you can track the progress of every envelope and quickly identify which recipients have completed their signatures and which are still pending. The Recipients tab provides detailed signing status for each participant, while the Documents tab lets you review the completed document at any time. The activity history records every event throughout the document lifecycle, providing a complete audit trail with timestamps and signer activity for security and compliance. If a recipient hasn't signed the document, you can resend the invitation directly from the ESignature dashboard with just a few clicks. The RAVES E-Signature Module simplifies the entire document signing process by streamlining template creation, secure electronic signatures, real-time tracking, and compliance with a complete audit history. Thank you for watching. For additional assistance, visit our website or access RAVES Intelligence to ask Ross business-related questions anytime.